Hey everyone! Have you been thinking about ditching your clunky old landline phone service but worried about giving up your precious phone number? We've all been there, that number tied to years of memories, deliveries, and maybe even that one neighbor who still calls you about borrowing a cup of sugar. Well, fear not, indecisive phone users. Today we're diving deep into the world of voice over IP, specifically Ooma, to see if you can keep your old number alive and kicking in the modern age. So, buckle up and get ready to separate fact from fiction when it comes to keeping your landline number with Ooma. We'll explore the nitty-gritty details, answer your burning questions, and hopefully, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do with that dusty old phone jack. Now, before we jump in, a quick disclaimer: every phone service provider is different, and policies can change. So, while this script will focus on Ooma's current offerings as of July 14th, 2024, it's always a good idea to double-check their website or give their customer service team a call to confirm the latest information. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get to the good stuff. The magic of porting. Keeping your number alive. The process of keeping your old phone number when switching to a new service is called porting. Think of it like transferring your number from one house, your landline provider, to a brand new, modern apartment, Ooma. The good news is, Ooma absolutely allows you to port your existing landline number to their service. This means you can ditch the old landline box but hold on to that familiar number for friends, family, and that sugar-borrowing neighbor. Here's the beauty of porting. It's usually a pretty straightforward process. Ooma handles most of the legwork, working with your old phone company to seamlessly transfer your number. There might be a small fee involved, but it's often a one-time cost and significantly cheaper than the headache of getting a whole new number and updating everyone in your contacts list. But wait, there's more. Understanding eligibility. While porting sounds fantastic, there are a few things to keep in mind to ensure a smooth transition. First, Ooma can only port phone numbers from landline providers within the United States. So, if you're rocking an international number, you might be out of luck on this one. Second, your current phone number needs to be active and in good standing with your existing provider. This means no outstanding bills or service interruptions that could stall the porting process. Lastly, Ooma can only port local and fixed wireless phone numbers. Numbers classified as mobile or voice over IP, VoIP, already might not be compatible. If you're unsure about your number's classification, don't hesitate to contact your current provider or check their website for clarification. The porting timeline. Patience is a virtue. Alright, so you've confirmed your number is eligible for porting, and you're ready to make the switch to Ooma. Here's where things might take a little time. The porting process itself can take anywhere from 7 to 10 business days, though some users report it being completed even faster. During this time, you might experience a brief service interruption with your old landline provider. This is because they're essentially handing over the reins to Ooma. Ooma recommends having a backup plan like a mobile phone in case there are any hiccups during the switch. Pro tip: be prepared. Here's what you'll need. To make the porting process as smooth as possible, you'll need some key information on hand. First, gather your account number and billing address from your current phone provider. These details will help Ooma identify your account and initiate the transfer. Secondly, you'll need your phone number itself, but that one's probably a no-brainer. Finally, Ooma might ask for a porting authorization code from your current provider. Think of this as a permission slip, allowing Ooma to officially take over your phone number. The process for obtaining this code can vary depending on your provider, so you might need to give them a call to get it sorted. While porting is a fantastic perk, it's important to understand what Ooma offers beyond just keeping your old number.